slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time.
So a quick analysis on gold. So this position was actually taken on Monday. That was when we had US bank holiday. The entry was right around this region, but because there was no liquidity in the market and it was a bank holiday, I had to close. And now I got my re-entry at 4 a.m. my time zone. I also shared, the updates when I saw an entry. So my entry was precisely around this region. If I had, got up a bit earlier on, I would have gotten a much better entry, but it's all good. This is relatively very, very okay. Now, looking at what we have here, if I go down to the 4-hour chart, on the 4-hour chart, you get to see a very detailed structure of how the market is looking like. This here was the all-time high, the previous all-time high. This was, when we had this double top formation, which was like the hook point, and the market dumped on Friday over 400 pip move. And if you look at the lows, this here is a key significant low where price has been holding up for quite some time. Now this is where we're having strong bounce off from the market. This is the first major pullback, and we're looking to ride the momentum to the upside. Now if we go back to the 1-hour chart, because I'm using my 1-hour chart to manage this trade position, you can see that we are relatively gaining enough momentum around this region because we've broken out. This was like the first major retest, and this is New York market open. This is 1 p.m. my time zone, so possibly this could actually pick up nicely. So currently on this trade position, I'm floating around 100 pip on this, and I'm still eyeballing more move to the upside. So I still want to hold accordingly, and let's see how the trade goes. With me as I go shopping for gym equipment here. So I'm running errands today, and going to be picking up some gym items, trying to set up a home gym for a client. And let's go over to the gym store. So here I'll be taking this treadmill for the home setup. Also be picking up a few dumbbells, gloves for workout, and many other stuff, as well as we're going to be doing the unboxing and also setting up the gym itself. Yeah. Shikenon. So we'll be setting up a home gym here within this space. Just set up some items for home workout. This for table tennis. That's the treadmill, and also this was one of the items we also got for the setup. So the unboxing also will be done. I hope I have enough time to do that, but if I don't, I'll just probably film the outcome of the entire process, how the place looks like. So this is the before. I also have like the after once everything is all set. So we're almost. So we're done with this. That's for the table tennis. Next up is the treadmill. So going to unbox now and get this up and running. So this is like a 150 kg max treadmill with I think the horsepower is about 4 horsepower. Yeah, the horsepower is 4 horsepower. So let's quickly get this set up. It's been a while I actually vlogged and dropped a video on YouTube, and it was largely because I've been really actively been trading the market and I've been really occupied with other stuff. So but however, hey, we're here today. So what I'm looking at today is I'm actually on a gold trade position. I'm still following up with the position I have on gold and all of those things in between. And one thing I can say looking back is for the past 2 months, like from January till now, we've been trading gold back to back to back to back, and we've not lost any single trade while we've been trading gold. We had just one loss, which was the last CPI I traded with the community. And looking at the landscape of how things are in the market, I think I'll hold off from trading high impact news, and this is why. So because largely currently we are having a new opportunity or landscape in the market. So I think for me, the way I perceive the market and the way I want to trade high impact news, things are not really aligning, and I want to slow down on that, or like pause that aspect of trading. So last year, all through last year, high impact news was like my bread and butter, and we've been trading that like consistently with the community. But now I'm thinking of slowing down on that because a lot of things is changing. So if we look at the most recent events and how things have been happening over the space, there was a time I was trading oil. Oil was my bread and butter. Like for over 3 months I was trading oil back to back to back and was making lots of significant gains with oil, and that was when I was trading my 100k prop account. But however, now I'm looking at a different approach. So largely I will be looking at gold. Gold has been creating all-time highs and all of that, and I will keep milking gold until maybe the landscape changes again. So for the most part, there's like Euro USD, GBP USD, they're not really doing much for me, and I want to focus more on commodity for now until things change over time. So looking at this, yeah, gold is currently floating around plus 100 pip, and we still want to hold this trade and see how it goes over time, and as long as the market keep printing the setup, we'll keep wanting to trade gold. Gold you don't need fly.
Don't they go over?
You don't need fly.
One ready now.
EP 29115.
Woo!